Hi, this is Brady. I'm going to walk you through the basics of our new app called Best Album, a Picasa Web Albums Manager. If you've never logged into Picasa Web Albums before on a browser, you need to do that one time before this will work. Just go to picasaweb.com and log in there. Okay, let's get started with our Best Albums app. First time we launch it, we will be prompted to log in. You can also log in via the Home menu. This login is your Google account that you have with NIST, and you may choose to also log in with your shared class account. For right now, I'm going to log in with my regular NIST username and password. I'll be asked to confirm. It's in Thai, but it's the blue button that you want. Once you've done that, you should be able to see any of the albums you have previously created. If you haven't created any before, it will look blank. Under the Home menu, we can switch between different accounts. As you can see, the top of the page shows which account we're in. I'm going to do a settings change as well. So under Home, I'm going to change the upload and viewing size to 1024 pixels. It's a good trade-off between quality and speed. Okay, let's get started. If I open an album such as my Test France album, I can see the photos I have here. If I click the Share button on the top, I can select those and do several different things with it. See the options on the bottom. If I open one of these, again I have the Share button, which gives me several different options. I can scroll with my finger from right to left, and I can see basic information about the photo, such as the caption. Okay, let's go ahead and explore some of the menu options. If I back out to where I can view all of my albums, at the top right I have a few choices. One is Search, another is Tags if you choose to use tagging features. The next is to create an album. We're going to create one right now. Let's call it Example and click OK. I have some choices to change the access. I'm going to set it to anyone with a link that helps me later. Captions, completely optional. Click Save and it creates an album. Note this is not creating an album on your iPad. This is all happening on the cloud. There's my new album, and there's nothing inside of it. So when I open it, it looks blank. Let's go ahead and add a photo or two to it. Click the camera, and you can take a photo from there or browse for a photo in your photo library. I'll click my camera roll and try to find 2 or 3 photos for it. There's one, and how about one of my daughter? These photos are actually uploading to Picasa Web right now. If you ever feel like there's a photo that should be visible that you can't see, you can always force the app to refresh by pulling your finger down and it will reload. Notice if I click the little share button, I can select these again and share them or move them into a new album if I ever need to move photos around between albums. I'm going to go ahead and cancel that, and I'm going to open one of these photos. Again, from here with the little share button, I've got quite a few options available to me. One of the great things about Best Album is the ability to edit in the app. We're going to do that in a minute. Once I've chosen a photo, I'm going to click the edit button at the top right. Usually actual size is what you want. And here we have some basic photo editing. I'm going to go ahead and crop it a little bit and click Apply at the top right. Maybe I'd like to add some effects. I can play around with these. That one looks nice. Click Apply. I can also add drawings to this. Choose a pen size and draw away. While this is a lot of fun, it also could be very helpful for students doing a project where you've asked them to label something or identify things in a picture. You can easily add text. And we can add some stickers. This is one of the students' favorites. So click Stickers. The very first time you do this, you'll have to download the sticker pack. It takes an extra 10 seconds or so. So let's look through and find a sticker or two that we like. When you tap on the sticker, it appears at a default size. You can use 1 or 2 fingers to resize, turn, get it just right. That looks pretty good. Click Apply on the right, and if I'm finished, I'm going to click Done at the top. This is going to give me a few options: save as a new photo or overwrite. If I choose overwrite, I will lose the original, so I'm going to choose Save a New Copy. Note that this saves directly to PicassoWeb, so this photo is not available in my camera roll yet. If I would like it to be, I can click the little button at the bottom left, Share button, and save the photo. I can also do this from inside my album view here. Again, Share button, select the photo I want, and at the bottom, click Save. Now it's available to me in my camera roll if I need to use it in other apps, such as iMovie. That's the basics of Best Album. Remember, you can switch between different accounts. This can be really useful if you'd like to share a photo with a whole class, or you'd like the whole class to share a photo. In this example, I shared one photo with the whole class, and everyone had an opportunity to make some changes to make me look a little better. These all happened almost instantaneously, and we were all able to see on all of the iPads the great creations. I hope this has been helpful. Please let us know if we can be of any help to you. Thank you.